Yeah, hi. So I want to make a quick video to show you how you can extract substrings of a JSON gotten with an API call. So this one, since I didn't have what you like the voice transcription type that you requested, I don't know how to get it. So I just used one for addresses. This one's an API call for, I think this is Google's address. I'm not sure. I was actually there a few weeks ago. Right. But the thing is that you want to extract a substring of this JSON that an API call has generated. In this case, I'm going to go for this latitude, for example. It could be anything. In your case, it would have been a voice transcription. So build this automation. It's really very simple. All you have to do on your end is press play. And in a few seconds, it'll get the latitudes. As you can see, the latitude is 37.422, and back over here it's 37.422. All right, so now literally I can build this for 10,000 API calls, whatever substring you want to extract, but that's how quickly it'll do it. And if you like, write it to some place, send it by email to some person, and all you have to do is give me some parameters so I can set it up so it can be more flexible. Like, what are you looking for? In this case, I just randomly chose latitude. It could be you're looking for place ID or plus code, you know. So you would have to give me that information across beforehand, or I could also program it so that you can insert whatever variables you are looking for on whatever API call. But anyway, I just thought to show you what it looks like. Doesn't get tired. You can do this in seconds. Thank you. Bye.